Hey everyone, if you haven't already, be sure to click on the subscribe button below to follow our series of interesting products and trends in the hospitality and vacation rental industries. So have you been looking for efficient and proven ways to increase your boutique hotel's booking rates, your customer loyalty rates, your property revenue? Well, in this video in our how-to series examines the nature of boutique hotels, what they are, who they cater to, and how to best tap into the creative angles that will generate bookings and revenues for you. So, what is a boutique hotel? You may have heard some properties refer to themselves as boutique. But what is the difference between a boutique hotel and a regular hotel? Well, a boutique hotel are typically smaller in size than a regular hotel, and they aim for a more sophisticated and personal guest experience. Boutique hotels are usually very trendy with their designs and often situated in urban areas. For a hotel to be considered a boutique hotel, it will usually have personal and unique qualities that are not typically seen in chain hotels or large properties. Boutique hotels usually have a unique selling point too, and will have a relatively small number of rooms available for guests. This amount varies from as few as 10 to 100 rooms depending on the property size. Boutique hotels can even be a part of a boutique hotel chain. But once again, to be considered a boutique hotel, the chain must be specific to boutique properties. Now that we went over what a boutique hotel is and what makes them special, let's go over some proven marketing tactics to emphasize all the positive features of your property and increase bookings. The first is implementing customer loyalty reward and incentive programs. Since we know a boutique hotel will usually have no more than 100 rooms and could have as few as 10 or 20 rooms, it can pay off to narrow in on high-value customers with loyalty programs and word-of-mouth marketing for those customers who want to refer their friends or family. This is where that unique selling factor comes into play. Boutique hotels can be more specific to your customers' needs and can promote these services. The unique qualities of a boutique hotel are also likelier to lead to return bookings, since it is easier to keep loyalty rewards consistent because of the smaller hotel size. A loyalty or rewards program in place can encourage return bookings and be the incentive your travelers need to come back for more. Some ideas to include with rewards can be discounts or small bonus fee services that will bring in added convenience and pamperings, like spa services, turn-down services, free luggage tags, or other branded items. Also pay attention to your social media presence and your blogging tactics. How often are you posting about the perks of staying with your boutique hotel? How frequently are you posting blogs and informational articles that go hand in hand with your boutique hotel's offerings and your customers' interests? Modern travelers now have a heavy presence on social media, and regardless of the age group, they oftentimes look at their network of followers for word of mouth or testimonials on things like bookings, places to eat, and industry trends. Your boutique hotel stands out, and chances are your customers book with you because your property intrigues them. This means that they are less likely to book a room with you via online travel agencies and more likely to explore your online presence first. This means prioritizing your hotel website and your social media channels to make them daily and consistent, since these are fundamental to your boutique hotel's marketing strategy. Be sure you are taking high-quality photos by expert photographers who know their angles, because your boutique hotel will succeed mostly on the aesthetics. Establish a brand identity with a brand voice to pair with the pictures, since your travelers want to get excited about the place that they book. Make sure your website is consistent, professional, and unique across all platforms, and keep the optimism high. Your customers will appreciate the boost of energy and associate it with your boutique hotel. A great way to capture the attention of future customers and bookings is to keep your network engaged with your brand. Blogs are also a good way to do this, and they also have the power to boost your online visibility through search engine optimization, meaning your hotel places higher up on search engine result pages, getting you all that attention that you need. Your hotel blog should consistently cover unique and interesting topics or useful tips and information, and should be written with a clear brand voice and identity in mind. The keywords that you use in your content can be carried into the research and AdWords. So be sure to identify what those are in your content and focus on the topics and buzz ideas that your target audience is most likely to be interested in. One final thing you should try to incorporate into your boutique operation is to capitalize on your uniqueness of your hotel. So, how do you do that? Your boutique hotel's unique location, your unique appearance, themes, and aesthetics can make it a perfect location for events and corporate functions, so you should invest in your rooms to make them ideal spaces. For example, your workspace and function rooms may be appealing to local businesses in the area that could leverage those spaces for meetings, seminars, or even conferences. Local travelers or interested guests can even be incentivized to host your hotel for weddings, baby showers, birthday parties, work parties, or other social and private functions. Don't forget to use the unique selling point of your boutique hotel to extend a memorable and special experience to all of your potential customers. This is the fifth and final video in our series on out-of-the-box ways to enhance your hotel and property value, as well as increase your bookings and return rates. So, did you find this series helpful? Did you find real tips that you can use to add value to your property? We sure hope so. Make sure you click on the subscribe button if you're excited to learn more about upcoming industry trends and how to approach them in the most efficient and affordable way. Enter your email address below to receive a copy of this ebook. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the A1 American YouTube channel, and we'll see you next time.